Hi, this is Christy with Rogue Media here at the Dallas Harley Davidson 2012 Blood, Sweat, and Gears annual bike build. The bike build's already going on inside. Let's go take a look and see this new Harley Davidson Trike.
I've been running, go cover me.
We're here with Derek, who designed this beautiful trike that we're having built today. Derek, why don't you tell me a little bit about what went into designing this bike?
We started about a month ago, getting all the preparation and design stuff. A lot of hard work as far as choosing the correct parts and choosing what we're going to do with paint, and actually coming to the conclusion that we were going to use a trike for this year's floor build.
What made you guys decide on a trike this year?
It's something we've never done, and it's something that we definitely haven't seen get done in the past as far as other people doing it. So it's a unique thing for us to do, and it's a unique thing for the rest of the world to see.
I've been running, go cover me.
Hi, we're here with Sean at Dallas Harley Davidson and going to ask him a couple questions today. Sean, what can you tell me about the Dallas Harley Davidson location?
Well, Dallas Harley Davidson originated from Connolly Harley Davidson, and one of the stores that branched off from them. And we've been in this location for about 9 years now, and just made up of a bunch of good employees that love Harley Davidson motorcycles.
I've got to tell you, this bike build you guys have going on today is amazing, and this is the third one, is that correct?
Yes, this is our third annual bike build, and this year we chose to build a trike.
And why'd you guys pick a trike as opposed to a two-wheeled Harley Davidson?
Well, a lot of dealerships build and dress up the two-wheel motorcycles, and the trike has not really been something that's been done too often, especially at the dealership level, and we really wanted to show how cool you can actually make a trike. So we got a lot of vendors involved, some local people, Other Side Customs to do the paint, Performance Machine, Kurykayn parts, Mustang seats, and aggressive suspension.
I've got to tell you, it looks amazing, and I personally am in love with this murdered out finish, this matte black finish. It's beautiful. How about you? What's your favorite part of this bike?
I think it's definitely the paint job and the wheels. The wheels are what's going to make it stand out. You very rarely see custom wheels on a trike, and Performance Machine went over the top with a set of wheels for us.
I've been running, go cover me.
We're here at the Boy Scouts booth today, here at the bike build. So what you got here today?
Excuse me?
What kind of popcorn did you get?
I got the caramel corn.
Caramel corn, and what cause this is going to, guys?
This is going to Boy Scouting, so they have tents and supplies so we can go camping.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you.
Tallahatchie.